Alright guys, so I have another one of the Michaels $10 grab, it says grab bag, but they're grab boxes for $10. This was an October one. I'm just now finally getting to it. My life's a little busy. So we're going to go ahead and waste no time and get this thing open. I've been so wanting to know what's in here. Oh, it looks like we got some cool Halloween stuff. Fall. We got a little 3-tier pumpkin. Oh, we got a pretty hot pink pumpkin. And we got some floral arrangements. Oh, quite a bit of them. And then, oh, we got some more of these 3-tiered pumpkins. And we got some more floral arrangements. We got some cute little raccoon looking plates. My daughter will love these. And let's see what else. We got some cool little wreaths that we can craft up. Some more floral picks. Oh, this is a pretty cool pumpkin. We got a solid black pumpkin. This one's kind of nice. And then, oh, we got a whole bunch of little crafty things in here. Sunflower weaving kit. We have an owl hoop kit. We have some mushroom ornament kit. A foam owl kit. Another mushroom ornament kit. Another mushroom. Another owl frame kit. And we got a sunflower weaving kit and another owl hoop kit. This was a pretty small box. And then we got a pretty cool galvanized tub. This is pretty cute. We'll have to see what we end up doing with this. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye guys.